Hey everyone, this is Mike and
Andy.
with your Abraham Hicks Fix. You know, Andy, if you're Frolick, make sure you wear protection. I don't know if you knew that. Little PSA there.
Thank you. Yeah, that's what went wrong last week. I wasn't wearing protection and I was frolicking. And now my knee hurts. All right, man. So, Mike, I love your T-shirt. Team Awesome.
Hashtag awesome's where it's at.
And you know where else it's at?
What's that?
It's at the Vortex, man. How do you get in the Vortex? People talk about the Vortex with their Abraham Hicks Fix. What is the Vortex?
I know. I hear that from everybody. Friends, family, homeless people. Everyone's telling me about the Vortex.
I know. So where is it? Like, how do you get in it?
I thought the Vortex was code word for Amazon warehouse.
Right? It's all at the Amazon warehouse, man. Just give me the longitude and latitude to that place and I can have everything I want.
But my understanding of the Vortex is that it's basically kind of like the Amazon warehouse. They have everything from A to Z that you could possibly want in your life. And it's all there just waiting for you. But the trick is to how to get it to come to you.
Yeah. So I love how Abraham explains that, every time we have a desire for anything, whether it's a cup of coffee, a better night's sleep, a lover, a thriving business, a healthy body, every time we have that desire, we're asking and the universe is answering and says, yes, it's done. And now our job is step 3. We got to get into the receiving mode. And so all our desires go to this big warehouse called the Vortex, where everything we desire is waiting for us.
That's right. And the way Abraham Hicks says, it's called a rocket of desire. And the minute that you want something, you launch a rocket of desire. But it seems so easy based on that. But there's a little missing piece where people fall off and they don't actually get what they want.
Yeah, it's called reality.
The harsh reality.
Harsh reality of day-to-day humaning, where we get caught up in emotions and deadlines and meetings and aches and pains in our bodies, and I'm hungry and I'm tired, and all these things distract us from feeling good and being who we really are, which is happiness and joy.
And that's exactly right. And that's the whole key behind the Abraham Hicks teaching is it's about alignment. You just have to feel good. You have to feel happy. But with all of life's pressures and stresses and everything that's going on, a lot of the doubt and fear, and before you know it, you're not in alignment anymore.
Right. You're bitching and complaining and watching the news.
That's right. You start the day with your I'm happy mug and everybody likes me. And before you know it, you want to kick somebody in the heel.
In the heel. Just kick them in the balls, will you?
I was trying to think of a word that wasn't like that. Balls did come to my mind, but I'm like, I don't know if I should say that.
I went on my Instagram and I got a great quote just about who we really are and the purpose, right? Have you ever thought about what is my purpose and how do I get in the vortex and when's it going to happen for me? Okay, so it's not just that your purpose is joy. It is you are joy. You are love and joy and freedom and clarity, expressing, energy, frolicking, and eager. That's who you are. Ooh.
That's a good one. But did you say the F word?
I did. Frolicking.
Oh, frolicking. That'll get you in the vortex quicker than anything.
Right. Yeah. That gets you in the vortex. So energy frolicking, and that it's not that your purpose is joy. You are joy, but we forget that. We get so, overwhelmed with things to do, and I'm not there yet. And why is it taking so long? And I've got more wrinkles, and I've gained more weight, and I got more debt, and that weighs us down. And so we can't feel good with all that on our shoulders and in our minds. And so therefore we're having trouble getting into the vortex, which is really just feeling good, gratitude, appreciation. There's always something to feel good about and smile. And that's how you get in the vortex.
You're pure joy at your center. So you don't really need to do anything else. You just need to allow yourself to feel that. So stop trying to do all this stuff and sage and chakras and all this other stuff. That's all good, but you don't need to do all that. It's so easy. Just sit, be with yourself, find things in your mind, look at your life, look at experiences to be grateful for, and just allow that inner joy to come through.
Yeah, and one of the things that's really challenging, I see this with my clients a lot, workshop participants, is everyone's trying to figure it out mentally. It's like a mental game of chess of how do I get in the vortex. And really, it's so much easier if you get your body engaged. You know, you stand up and do a 2-minute power pose. You do some jumping jacks. You go work out. You go take a walk. Move your body, get the energy going. And then just when you're moving your body, focus on, you know, a list of gratitudes. Do that's right. I'm alive. That's right. Today's a good day. That's right. I'm allowing myself to feel good. Do some that's rights for 68 seconds. And that'll easily bring you into a better feeling place.
And no matter what kind of experience that you're having now or what problems and stresses, there are lots of things to be grateful about. There's lots of things to be happy about. And it's just a matter of shifting your focus.
Yeah, focus, again, my favorite F word when it comes to manifesting.
I thought it was frolicking.
That's my second favorite.
You know, Andy, if you frolic, make sure you wear protection. I don't know if you knew that. Little PSA there.
Thank you. Yeah, that's what went wrong last week. I wasn't wearing protection and I was frolicking, and now my knee hurts. And so another thing, feeling bad and upset or getting out of the vortex is not a big deal. That's not the problem. Because a lot of people say, well, how do you stay in the vortex forever? I just don't want to ever come out. It's like, no. You want the experience. You want a rainy day so you can celebrate the sunny day. You want, you know, a bad night's sleep so you can wake up and know what it feels like to have a great night's sleep. So nothing wrong with getting out of the vortex and experiencing contrast.
Exactly. And contrast is a part of the overall scheme of the law of attraction, because really you need contrast to have clarity of what you really want. Also, you need that contrast to know new things that you want. So without the contrast, you wouldn't have that clarity and you wouldn't have that expansion.
Yes, and we are frolicking, joy-seeking, energy expansion beings. And so we must expand. And if the more you frolic, the more your life just unfolds magically. So really, we're just really telling people today, if you could just start frolicking, everything would be amazing.
Frolic more. That's the message, right? This is it. This is the whole video in 2 words. Frolic more.
That's it. We nailed it. Woohoo! All right. So I think we can wrap it up with some that's rights about feeling good, the vortex, frolicking, all that stuff.
Sounds good to me. I love that's right.
That's right. I'm gonna frolic more.
That's right. Everyone should frolic more.
That's right. Frolicking opens all the doors.
There's no downside to frolicking.
That's right. You are joy energy. You are joy seeking expansion.
That's right. Your inner core is joy.
That's right. Let go of all the bullshit and frolic.
That's right. Just relax. You don't need to add more. Just take off more.
That's right. Take off more clothes and frolic. Woohoo!
Oh.
Is that a Tanqueray bottle?
Yeah. That was a joke. I didn't really check it.
That was great. Leave a question, a comment in the comment section down below. We'd love to hear your thoughts, suggestions, ideas for more Abraham Hicks Fix videos.
Yes, and that's right. And let us know what you think about the vortex. Did we explain it? Is there something that we missed out? What's your biggest tip to get into the vortex, stay in the vortex? We'd love to hear from you.
Yeah, we'd love to hear. We'd love to frolic with you too. Signing off. Bye. I'm Andy.
I'm Michael.
And that was your Abraham
Hicks Fix.
Woo! And don't forget to frolic more.